Review Sample Z on YouTube. Welcome back. Today we'll continue our series on rounded images. So this is a part 2 video. So in this video I have two methods of how to make rounded images in WPF. So let's get started. You go ahead and create a project. Okay, so here we are. So first things is first, I'll start by creating a folder for the images. Images folder. Then I'll get some images. I'll just copy these two that I had lying around. Okay, then I'll paste them in the folder. Okay, so there we are. Then okay, so let's get right into it. So to save time, okay, just hold on, just change the orientation. Okay, all right, I like the code there. Then okay, so we've done that. So we'll come here first. So what we're going to do is this and this. Then we'll do this, properties, then build action resource, then copy to directory, or say copy if new, and come back to solution explorer. Then yeah, we can minimize that for now. So to save time, we're going to do this here. I'll paste this. I'll copy this. Then I'll paste it here. Oh, I thought I'd copy that earlier on. Okay, then I'll just get rid of this there. Then that's the starter code we're going to be using today. So let me just bring this into perspective and this into perspective. Then just one moment. Okay, so let's get right into it. So first things is first, let's start with the background, make it a bit more interesting. Okay, so there we go. So we're going to start with method 1. So method 1, we're going to make an ellipse. So just open and close that. So there's our ellipse for method 1. So our ellipse, we'll give it a height and width 100. Height 100 also, and that's starting to take shape there. Then for temporary, we'll just give it a fill. Okay, so we'll do that. Then select one of these colors. Hashtag. Okay. Alright, so there's our ellipse there, the circle. Then inside the ellipse, we're going to do this. Ellipse.fill. Then inside the ellipse.fill, we're going to do this. Image brush. image source. Then we have a squiggly line here. So to get rid of this squiggly line here, we just get rid of this option here, then we press back there, then save. Then there's our image slowly taking shape. So that is coming from the images folder here and here. Okay, so let's just do this. Let's do with the border. Give it a good thickness. And let's give the border a color. Okay, then there we are. Then there's an image for method 1. So method 1, we're using the ellipse method here. So let's go and look into method 2. So method 2, we're going to use something called a rectangle. So rectangle will have the width of 100 and we'll have height of 100. Then let's just close that off. Okay, so there's our rectangle. Then radius to be half of the height, radius x direction, then radius y to be half of the height also. Okay, then there we are. Then inside the rectangle, we're going to do this. I'm going to get the rectangle dot fill. Then we'll close that tab, and then inside there we're going to do an image brush again.